Today we will do profit and loss. In that profit and loss, we will learn about calculating the selling price. Last class, what you have learned? Calculating the cost price. Today you will learn about calculating the selling price. When you will calculate the selling price, when profit will be there, then what formula you will use? SP equal to CP plus profit. When you calculating the selling price, profit will be there, then what you will write the formula? SP equal to CP plus profit. When you calculating the selling price, when loss will be there, what you will write here? SP equal to CP minus loss. SP equal to CP minus loss. Okay, it is clear to you all? Now first question you can see here. Abhinav brought a radio for rupees 180. Abhinav brought a radio for rupees 180. On selling it, he made a profit of rupees 200. On selling it, he made a profit of rupees 200. Find the selling price of the radio. What you have to find? The selling price of the radio. Okay. Then what you see in here? What is the cost price? What is the cost price of the radio? Rupees. Cost price. Cost price means CP. No? What is the cost price? Cost price means CP. Cost price is Abhinav brought up 1,800. No? What is the cost price? That is CP equal to, what is that? 1,800. Good. CP equal to rupees 1,800. Good. Now next what you are seeing that how much profit he has done? Profit rupees. Profit equal to rupees 200. Profit is rupees 200. Cost price is rupees 1,800. Profit is rupees 200. Now which formula you will use? Two formula written there. Profit. When profit is there, you will use this formula. So what is the formula? SP equal to CP plus profit. SP equal to CP plus profit. Yes, which formula you will use? SP equal to CP plus profit. Now what is the CP here? Equal to rupees 1,800 plus profit is rupees 200. Yes. Now what answer you will get when you will add it? What answer you will get? How much? Rupees 2,000. Good. You will get the answer rupees 2,000. This is the answer. Okay. What is the answer? Rupees 2,000. The selling price of the radio was rupees 2,000. What is the selling price of the radio? The selling price of radio is rupees 2,000. Got it? What you have seen in this question? This question is given that Abhinav, what does Abhinav? Brought a radio for rupees 1,800 and on selling it he made a profit. On selling it, what he done? Got you made it profit of how much? Rupees 200. Of rupees 200, find the selling price. What you have to find? You have to find the selling price. Okay. So according to the question, you are seeing that here what they have done? Profit. What they have done? Profit. If they have done profit, then which formula we will use? We will use SP, this formula. Yes, SP equal to CP plus profit. SP equal to CP plus profit. Yes. So SP equal to CP plus profit. What is the CP? CP is rupees 1,800. What CP you will write? Rupees 1,800 plus what profit got? Rupees 200 plus rupees 200. Understood? Now what you have to do? You have to add this two. You have to add rupees 1,800 plus rupees 200. When you will add it, what answer you will get? Rupees 2,000. What answer? Rupees 2,000. So what is that rupees 2,000? The selling price of the radio was rupees 2,000. The selling price of the radio is rupees 2,000. So you will write therefore the selling price of a radio is rupees 2,000. The selling price of the radio is rupees 2,000. Got it here? So this is the answer. Clear it is? Now one more question I will show you when loss will be there. When loss will be there. Okay? So second question now I will write and I will show. Students, second question is, Ravi bought a flower pot for rupees 150. Ravi brought a flower pot for rupees 150. On selling it, made a loss. On selling it, he made a loss of rupees 80. On selling it, he made a loss of rupees 80. What was the selling price of the flower pot? What was the selling price of the flower pot? Now which formula we will use? We will use this formula, loss formula. Yes. Which formula you will use? You will use loss. So SP equal to CP minus loss. SP equal to CP minus loss. This formula we will use. Now, what is the cost price? Flower pot cost price is rupees 150. So, CP equal to rupees 150. Okay. Next one, how much loss he has done? Loss equal to rupees 80. Then what you have to take out? Selling price. What you have to take out here? What is the selling price equal to not given here? Okay. For taking out the selling price when loss is there, which formula you will use? You will use this one. CP minus loss. Cost price minus loss. Okay. So SP equal to CP minus loss. Okay. So rupees 150 minus rupees 80. Rupees 150 minus rupees 80. What you will do here? Rupees 150 minus rupees 80. When you will minus rupees 150 from 80, what you will get the answer? Rupees, yes, rupees 70. Good. You will get the answer rupees 70. What is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 70. What is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 70. So it is clear to you all. What is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 70. So according to the question what you are seeing here, Ravi brought a flower pot for rupees 150. Ravi brought a flower pot for rupees 150. Yes. And on selling it, after that Ravi sold that flower pot and selling it make a loss. He made a loss. of rupees 80. Yes. What was the selling price of the flower pot? You have to take out what was the selling price of the flower pot. According to this question, what you are saying? Here loss is there. When loss will be there, which formula you will use? You will use SP equal to CP minus loss. Yes. So what is the CP here? Rupees 150 and loss is rupees 80. So rupees 150 minus rupees 80. What answer you got here? Rupees 70. What answer you got? Rupees 70. Yes. You got the answer rupees 70. So the selling price of the flower pot was rupees 70. Therefore, what we will write? The selling price of a flower pot was rupees, what was the answer? Rupees 70. Okay, it is clear to you all. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned how to calculate the selling price. How to calculate the selling price. When profit will be there, what formula you will use? SP equal to CP plus profit. And when loss will be there, what formula you will use? SP equal to CP minus loss. Okay student, today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.